Los Guerreros. First time at a Mexican grocery store. So today Matt's coming over to make some authentic Mexican food. And I thought I should go to a Mexican grocery store to buy some authentic Mexican ingredients for this Mexican dinner. Wow, the vibe is already definitely Mexico. Hello. Piñatas hanging. That's pretty cool. Music too. I feel like I'm in Mexico. I grew up in San Diego. A lot of Mexican culture, obviously, a lot of Mexican people, a lot of Mexican food. Look at this, all Mexican canned goods. And even the smells reminds me of SoCal. And the next thing he said was corn tortillas. I wonder if they have fresh ones here. Okay, I've never seen this before. Flan in a package like this? I do remember this as a kid. Colors of the Mexican flag. Then you got your Jello. Oh, what is this? Is this rice? Arroz con leche. Rice pudding. Oh, I bet that's hella good. Kind of curious about that. This is what you see at Mexican restaurants. I don't even know what this is. What is this? Salsa verde molida. Tomatillos, water, salt, jalapeno peppers, garlic, cilantro. I'm sure we're gonna be making some kind of authentic salsa today, so I won't get this stuff. Matt, is this what I need to get right here? I really do feel like I'm in Mexico right now. Just in case, I'm gonna get the smaller ones too. Okay, next thing he said was chilies. So guajillo peppers and ancho peppers. I'm assuming this is it. It doesn't say enchilo, but it just says ancho. Guessing you switch those words around and you got enchilo. All right, gonna get these. Okay, so he does ask for cumin specifically. I wonder if cumin in Mexico is a little different. I know that spices have variations, just like really any kind of product. Well, I'm gonna check. Let's see, cumin. I might as well buy cumin from here. All right, we'll just get this. Comino molido, ground cumin. It's funny, the employees will talk to me in Spanish, assuming I know how to speak it. I feel bad because growing up, I was a pretty dark kid because I was always outside. And people would just talk to me in Spanish because I look kind of Mexican. And it's happening here, even though I'm super white now. I just awkwardly go, hi. Okay, thank you to everybody in the comments. I've been looking for this right here, this tomato bouillon. And you guys tell me in the comments, this is where I'd find it at a Mexican grocery store. So here you go, honey. I found it, but let's see if they have it in, oh yeah, they do, right here. I'll buy a whole bunch of this because this was very hard to find. I'm so glad I finally found it. But what is this? Tomato bouillon with chicken flavor? What's the difference? Just the package is different? I think I'm the only guy in here not speaking Spanish. This is how Mexican this place is. Like this is authentic. It's like little Mexico in here. If you want to make some authentic Mexican refried beans or any kind of bean anything, this is a place to get your bean ingredients. I've been looking for this for a while. Shout out to Carla. I want to make a special nachos. And this is the Peruvian beans she said I need. So gonna grab this too. Only $6.99, that's not bad. This is cool. Look at all this bread goodness here. Now I really feel like I'm in San Diego. I remember bakeries like this all over. Obviously, you got bakeries like this in Mexico, but I never lived in Mexico. What is this called? Let me know. Oh yeah, oh yeah. For the protein, Matt asked for some oxtail, so I'll get some oxtail here. One thing I love is they got all the cuts for Mexican dishes here, which is pretty obvious they would, but this is hard to find at a regular grocery store, so that's cool. He also asked for beef chuck. Gonna get a pound of the short ribs, and then let's do 2 pounds of the oxtail. I think I get everything I need. We got a good selection here, by the way. Okay, I'm gonna have to come back here and do a vlog about Mexican candy because all this looks awesome. I have never seen this. I don't even remember this. Oh, is this a blue tortilla? Okay, that's cool. Maybe it's for a special occasion. I haven't seen this since I was a kid. Lucas, this is really bringing back some memories. All right, definitely the last thing I'm gonna get is these tomatillos, which are really hard to find. And I know that this is what we would use to make authentic salsa. They have legit hella hot sauce options. Of course, they got the classic Valentina, they got Tapatio, but what am I looking? Oh, right here. Look, it's hiding in the back. Why is it hiding?
they have the glass bottle of the black Valentina. The black label, you guys, that's the one you want, okay?
One thing I do feel like I need to get is some pickles. One of my favorite things about a authentic or traditional Mexican restaurant is those pickles you can get at the little pickle stand or the condiment stand. This is similar to it. I'm gonna get it anyways because it looks good. I feel like maybe I should just get some guacamole too. They probably made this today. I don't know, I'll just get one. And since I'm here,
Might as well get this too. Queso Oaxaca. Which one though? Get this one.
my God, my stomach is rumbling. I'm so hungry. Got the 40s, baby. Haven't seen those forever. Right now, Modelo is really popular here in the States, so maybe I'll get that. Though I do like Pacific. Oh yeah, and Victoria. That's actually popular. I had that when I was in Mexico last time. Just get the Modelo. Okay, Los Guerreros. So I mentioned how I'm the only English-speaking person in there. Even the employee, I was trying to kind of chat it up with them. The person checking me out, they said they don't speak English, which is totally fine with me. I felt bad that I couldn't speak any Spanish, so I used a few Spanish words I know. Gracias. And that's it, because I got kind of nervous. Okay, that was a cool grocery store because it was such a new experience for me. Of course, I've been vlogging me going to Asian grocery stores, all types of Asian grocery stores, but that was the first time I went to a Mexican one. But that one was truly nostalgic for me because growing up in San Diego, though I had an eclectic mix of friends, I was around a lot of Mexican culture, a lot of Mexican communities, and definitely Mexican people. I remember we had family friends, we would go to Mexican parties. So going in there, even though I just came back from Mexico, it brought back a lot of memories of growing up in San Diego. Because if you're not familiar, San Diego is right north of the Mexican border along Tijuana, which is also right on the border. So that was cool. The other cool thing too is sometimes I do try to make some Mexican dishes. I know they're not all authentic Mexican dishes, and I've kind of, made them my own. So when I go to shop for Mexican ingredients, sometimes I have to go to one or two different spots. But that spot, I asked a friend of mine, thank you by the way, for the recommendation. That spot, they've got everything you need. So that was really cool. And it wasn't that big. I was expecting it to be way bigger, from produce to cooking ingredients to even the meat. I was surprised. The butcher there was very knowledgeable, very helpful. They had all the cuts that Matt was asking for the enchiladas that we're gonna be making. By the way, I'm curious, are enchiladas a popular dish in Mexico? I'm calling it authentic. I'm only saying that because Matt is actually really good when it comes to Mexican cuisines. But yeah, now it's time to go back home and cook up some enchiladas. Maybe we'll do some guacamole, and maybe if we have time, also some salsa. Okay, I just got back and Matt actually got here before me. Okay, Matt, so by the way, recognize the bag? You gave this to me, craziest thing, you gave this to me on a Good Soup Day event.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I was just talking about that.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so here, let me just put this over here. I know you didn't ask for these, I just had to get them. These little pickles. What do you think about these?
Oh, is this like an escabeche?
Come over here so you can be in the camera. I don't know what it is. I just saw it. I was like, oh, that looks good.
Let me repeat that for the camera. Is this like an escabeche?
And then I just got this. I want to make guacamole, but I don't know.
Oh,
They
cool.
probably make it there. Okay, are these the right peppers? I felt like such a white dude.
Guajillo and ancho? Yeah.
Okay, so it didn't say anchilo, so I was confused. It says
Ancho.
chile ancho. Yeah. So, okay. And then this was the other one, right, that you wanted?
So these are Anaheim's that are dried, and these are Poblanos.
Is this what you wanted, though?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Which one? Which one? Are these either one?
Ideally these, because we're going to make it.
Oh, yeah, cool. I just got two. You know what's funny? Judy loves this.
This is my favorite coconut water.
I know.
So
that's literally all I drink after my 5-mile run.
Oh, you want to put this in the oven?
No, I thought like just buy it since I was there. It's hard to find good Oaxaca cheese.
Oh, you want to make a salsa or something?
Well, no, I just bought it just in case.
Okay. Oh, you got
Oxtail. They had it there. They had a legit butcher. And then I got cumin.
Yeah, that'll do. That's good. I usually do like whole, but this is
Oh, let me see if I've got whole.
I'll just do a little sprinkle of it.